A Kids Eat Free Souvenir Sunday at One Oak Field in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and one of the more packed and rowdy Sunday crowds I can remember. 66 degrees at the 2:04 first pitch for the series finale between Tulsa and Northwest Arkansas. Tulsa looking for the sweep. Bottom of the second inning, Drillers trail 1-0. Travis Witherspoon pops one up to first. No, onto the outfield. Wow, it flies over the fence for a home run. The 15-mile-an-hour wind pushed several out of the park. In fact, it happened again in the top of the third. Same score, Alex Liddy at the plate. He crushed one out last night, and he gets another here. The two-run shot gives the Naturals a 3-1 lead. A Hunter Dozier RBI base hit later in the inning gave them a 4-1 lead. Bottom of the fourth now, same score, Sean Zaraga at the plate. The base is packed for him. He crushes it into the outfield. It drops in left center. It scores Brian Bergamy and Travis Witherspoon on the play, and it's a one-run game. Top of the fifth now, same score, Liddy at the plate again. He spanks his second homer of the day and his third in 2 days. The solo shot makes it 5-3 Northwest Arkansas. The Drillers played from behind throughout most of the game. A couple of long balls for the Drillers in the 7th and the 8th from Bergamy and Lars Anderson helped the cause, but today was just Northwest Arkansas's day. In the top of the 8th with 2 men on, Dusty Coleman rips a 2 RBI double down the left field line, and Liddy comes up big with his 4th hit of the game, an RBI double as well. That plus a forgettable 9th inning for the Drillers, who issued 5 walks in the inning and gave up 2 more runs. It was enough to give Northwest Arkansas the 10-5 victory as the Drillers fall shy of the 4-game sweep of the Northwest Arkansas Naturals. The Drillers fall to 10-6 on the season and into second place in the Texas League Northern Division. But Tulsa heads to Arkansas for a 4-game series to battle for first place. First pitch against the Travelers is Monday at 7:10.